Hi everyone, PEMDAS is going to help us solve this tricky math problem. PEMDAS is saying that 9 times 3 goes first. So what is 9 times 3? 27. Good job. The purple is low on ink. Let me write with the hot pink. 27. There we go. Let's bring the 2 plus down. So we have 2 plus 27 divided by 8. PEMDAS is saying that 27 divided by 8 goes first. So what is 27 divided by 8? I don't know. So I'm going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 27 over 8. And let's bring that 2 plus down, but let's bring that 2 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2. Does not change the 2. Plus 27 over 8. Next, we're going to add these two fractions. However, the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method or the bow tie method. So I will draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing. So we're multiplying what's inside the wing. 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8? 16. Good job. And let me erase this part for space. Here's the antenna. So here's the wing, here's the antenna, and here's the number 16. Yay. Next, we're to draw the other wing. So 1 times 27. Again, we're multiplying, not adding. 1 times 27, and here's the other antenna. 1 times 27 is 27. And don't leave yet because we need to figure out the mixed number answer to this math problem, which I don't know, maybe it's 4 1/2 or the decimal answer. We need to figure that out too. It could be 4.2. We don't know, but let's see what we get using long division. And here's the body. Oh, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for your support. And let's continue solving this math problem. Now, here's the body. 1 times 8 is 8. And this is the denominator, 8. Next, we add 16 plus 27. So 16 plus 27, we add 6, 7, so 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 43. So we got 43. And this improper fraction answer is your answer. It is your answer. This is called an improper fraction, and it's the answer. It's called the improper fraction answer. And now we're gonna get into the long division, and we're to use. Let me just write this here. So the 43 over 8 goes here, and we'll write the mixed number answer here, and then the decimal answer here using long division. So here's the long division, and I want to use a different color. Let's see. Let's use orange. Nah, that's too light. Let's use brown. Brown, nah, that's too light. Let's stick with hot pink then. Hot pink. So 43 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 8 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. And I am going to switch the colors here. So I'll go back to green. So how many times can 8 fit into 43? So I know that 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48, right? So that goes over 43. So 5 is what we write here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's write the 5. So the 5 goes up here. And then we multiply 5 times 8, which equals 40. And then we subtract. 43 minus 40 is 3. And then how many times can 8 fit into 3? You cannot. So the 3 needs to borrow a 0. So to do that, we add a decimal after the 43 and a decimal after the 5. We write a 0 there. We bring down the 0, give it to the 3, and the 3 becomes 30. And how many times can 8 fit into 30? Well, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. So we're getting close to 30. And then 8 times 4 is 32. So that goes to over 30. So the 3, this 3, goes up there after the decimal. So we're going to write 3. So the answer is going to be 5.3 something. And let's continue. So 8 can fit into 30. How many? So 3, right? Yes, 3. So we can fit 3. And then 3 times 8 is 24. And then 30 minus 24 is 6. And so how many times can 8 fit into 6? You cannot. So we're going to add the 6 needs to borrow a 0. So we write a 0 here, bring it down, give it to the 6. Now the 6 becomes 60. How many times can 8 fit into 60? Well, I know that 8 times 8 is 64, so that goes over 60. So it will be 8 times 7, which is 56. And so 56 goes here, and we're subtracting. And the 7, this number, goes here. So it'll be 3, so it'll be 0.37, and 7 times 8 is 56, and 60 minus 56 is 4, right? And then how many times can 8 fit into 4? You cannot, so the 4 needs to borrow a 0. So we write a 0 there, we bring down the 0, give it to the 4, and the 4 becomes 40. And so how many times can 8 fit into 40? Well, I know that 8 times 5 is 40, so I'll write the 5 here, and 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 5.375, and the mixed number answer is getting the remainder, this number here, and the whole number, which is the 5. The remainder goes above the fraction bar, and then this 8 goes below the fraction bar. And so your mixed number answer is 538, 3 over 8. And if you want to switch back to the improper fraction, all you have to do is multiply 8 times 5, which is 40, plus 3 equals 43, and you keep the denominator as 8. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.